Alright, gonna do a little unboxing here of a SetPower RV45 45 liter, sorry, 47.5 quart.
Yeah, shortchange me.
Yeah. This is gonna open her up, see what comes with it. This was how much?
$309 off eBay.
So if you're counting, you could basically buy about
It's cheaper
probably,
than my Yeti was.
Yeah, you can buy 3 of these for one Dometic in a similar price point, similar size point right now.
I was afraid it was gonna be dented up or something, but it's packed good.
You got it off of Amazon?
eBay.
eBay?
We got the same ones on Amazon, but eBay.
Look at that, it's got latches and everything.
It's supposed to have metal latches.
Oh, that's sweet. That's nice.
We got some inside goodies here. And this will freeze or refrigerate. I mean, it'll get cold enough to freeze because it's all open. It's not two separate.
It's got a lit little LED light to it, looks like.
Alright.
That's sweet. 12-volt plug.
12. And there's our adapter to go to the wall.
Okay.
We'll do 120 also. Got a plug here. We'll plug it up, see what the signals look like. Whoops. That. I read a lot of reviews and they were talking about this being not very tight, but it's extremely tight in mine.
Now you got that fixed. Oh, sweet.
Let's see. Got the battery protection. I don't know how to work it. Just hold it. Sorry. There it is. It's not very loud.
No.
That's a little outside.
The look of it,
You can feel it and drop it
yeah, that's nice.
without carrying it in.
And it's not, it's a better arrangement as far as the being a nice rectangular, regular, just kind of shaped like a regular cooler would be.
It's one reason I wanted this one, because it wasn't divided up here, so I can do cold or refrigerated or froze.
It's being square also helps with it doesn't look like it's a good shape for it to not be tippy. Not trail riding and whatnot. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video on the unboxing of the SetPower 45S. Special thanks to Aaron for holding out on opening it up for a few hours there until we could do a solid review on it. Our video cut off. My for whatever random reason, it just stopped recording in the middle of it. But so just some initial thoughts on it that we kind of covered there. I mean, you've got nice metal latches. It seals well. It cooled down exceptionally fast. It was reading 70 when we first plugged it in, and would believe it got down to 0 in about an hour. So didn't take it very long at all. The nice LED light cast quite a bit of light in there. The removable baskets on both ends. That's nice. Solid price point at $300. I mean, you cannot go wrong with that. We're gonna do a more thorough evaluation of how it performs possibly this weekend. We've got SCAR coming up. That's South Central Area Rover Rally. We'll get to use it for the first time. We can compare it with my Dometic 50 liter Dometic, and just see how they compare. But yeah, I mean, just it's a nice Overland style fridge freezer, 12 volt. It's got three levels of power consumption where it'll just cut off when it gets down too low. And I mean, this is a game changer. Obviously, if you're looking for if you're new to this, or if you're just now getting into it, you do not have to spend a fortune on Overland gear and getting all the bells and whistles. It has a lot of features, and it is, like I said, it's very competitively priced. You can't go out and buy a roto molded cooler for this much. So yeah, it's impressive. And like I said, we're gonna put it through its paces this weekend, and to be able to use it in a real world application, and just see what goes with it. But yeah, no, price check there. I mean, that's no build quality. I mean, everything looks very good. So let's see, I think we ran down most of the things in the video. I think he purchased it on eBay. They do have those also are available on Amazon as well. Very quiet on the compressor. Comes with a wall unit or the cigarette lighter plug, and it actually uses a converter to do that, but that's, you know, no issues. And but yeah, no, it's a very nice fridge. Thanks for watching. If you got anything out of this video, just give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and we will be putting more of this kind of content out there. And got some good off-road event coming up this weekend, and some camping and some different perspective as far as that goes. So we'll get that coming up here in the next week or so. Thanks for watching.